What's your birthday wish for Bimbi?
Dati talaga, I dreaded na magkakaroon siya ng girlfriend. And ngayon, push ko ng push. Honey, send her flowers.
And I told Mama, Mom, di na yan yung style ngayon. It's not like that na. Kasi they get overwhelmed daw eh, Mom.
Huh?
So, Mari, 18 na si Bimbi. Ready ka nang maipakilala sa...
Ay, hindi, meron na akong gusto. Dalawa na yung gusto ko.
It's a new generation, Mama.
Give her Carti.
Wow!
See?
Medyo ano.
Gusto ko, ha? Gusto ko talaga. So, parang sinabi ko sa kanya na, you were born so blessed. Kasi, one, your mama was already in a position to make demands.
Marami nga naiinggit kay Bimbi. Sabi ng marami sana all may Bimbi na anak.
Hindi rin kasi mahirap din makipagdebate sa kanya. Your mama's sick. So please. Wait, okay pa na pinagsabi ko.
Okay.
Yung anak, 200 milligrams ako ng injectable na binigyan ako ng diphenhydramine. Most people at 50 bagsak na.
Ayan, Bim. Siyempre, happy 18th birthday sa'yo.
Ikaw din, no, Tito Ojo, 18th birthday mo din, no? De, pa 21, no?
Oh, di ba?
Yeah, 21.
Si Bimbi yan, no? Grabe ang PR ni Bimbi sa akin, ha?
I learned from the best, di ba?
Ayan, oy, Bim, dahil 18 ka na, ano ang iyong birthday wish?
I can't say baka hindi, baka it won't come true
At siya, wish lang naman, di ba? Malay mo magkatotoo.
I can't risk it baka hindi maging it might not come true Kasi it's very important Tito Oji.
I'm sure
very
meron ka ring sa sarili mo, sa mami mo, o kanino man.
Mama talaga. That's why hindi ko pwedeng sabihin kasi, di ba?
Oo. So I'm sure ang wish mo ay para sa mama mo na lumakas pa.
Yan. Pero diba? I can't say it directly.
Oo.
Yan.
Bakit?
Lang. Di ba? Yan yung superstition, Tito Oji.
Okay.
Yan yung
sinasarili mo lang. Okay. So, I'm sure yung mga tao, lalo na yung mga supporters ng mom mo, na ang wish nila I'm sure alam na namin kung ano wish ni Bimbi.
Oh, yes.
Yung gumaling si Chris, lumakas lalo at makabalik sa kanyang first love ang hosting. No? Oo.
Yan talaga.
Okay. Ano ang sinabi sa'yo ng mami mo nung pumatak yung 12 midnight at birthday mo na?
Don't go to clubs.
Bakit?
Yan, Tito Oji.
Bakit?
Ayaw niya.
Ha?
And please stay my baby forever.
Oh my God.
Yan, oo.
Naku. Ano naman sabi mo?
Ako, syempre, it's not my thing naman mag-club-club. But, sinabi ko kay mama na, of course, I'll still be her baby. Kahit 50 years old na ako, I'll still be her baby.
Kumusta ang love life ng mama mo?
Love life ni mama? Peaceful ngayon.
Mas okay sa'yo na walang love life ang mama mo?
Either or, basta happy si mama. Either or talaga, Tito. Basta kung nasan happy si mama, sure, why not?
Happy naman mama mo ngayon, being single?
Happy naman. Walang, wow, I had a breakup. Walang ganyan, di ba? Walang ganyan. But peaceful lang.
So may manliligongin ang mama mo?
I don't know talaga. Siyempre, you read Chika PH, di ba? Reddit, di ba? Okay, ikaw.
Okay lang kung meron.
Oh yeah, basta mom's happy.
Yun naman ang importante.
Yeah, that's important talaga.
What's your birthday wish for Bimbi?
Hindi wish. It's pinagdadasal ko parate na kung gaano siya kabait ngayon, all the way until siya na yung may anak, sana umabot na may apo, ganyan pa rin kabait. Kasi hindi ko binubuhat yung bangko ko, but maganda talaga pagpapalaki sa kanya. Because it takes a village. And then, I had so many people helping me. Marami siyang mga mentor. Marami mga, until now, na malaki na siya, tito at tita pa rin ang tawag niya. So, yung parang, I also realized that, di ba parang nagsabi plastic sa showbiz, users, no. Yung mga naging totoong kaibigan niya, na tinitreat siya parang baby pa rin. Galing sa showbiz at galing sa politika. Ma-amaze ka, sabi mo, paano nangyari yun? Eh, di ba, parang user-friendly yung mga dating. Pero no, it's not true. I will tell you na ang daming nagme-make ng effort na samahan siya dahil hindi nga ako makalabas. And sinusundo siya. And we made real friends also nung nasa Amerika pa. So I'm so proud of him kasi he's really smart, straight A's pa rin. And masipag siya, he wakes up before 7 for his homeschooling.
Wow.
Pero tumatawad siya ng 10 minutes.
Ako ang tumatawad, ikaw kaya.
No, it's me. And then, at least nag-promise siya sa akin na sabi ko, can you wait until you're 20 before you go to bars? Kasi sabi ko, because Bim, your mama's sick. So please. And nakaano siya, may asthma. And ang galing-galing niya sa mga younger kids. Yung mga aliw na aliw sa kanya for some reason. Kasi anak kanya, tapos kanya ihagis-hagis yung mga boys. So, yung mga doktor ko na may mga anak na mga 4 years old, 6 years old, hinahanap siya talaga. And as a mom, syempre...
I had good kuyas eh.
No, it's you. It's you. No false humility.
Okay.
And ako kasi parang when you hear na ang gwapo niya, ang bangot, ang bait pa, proud ako. Yun lang, I want him. Ito lang yung, this was my dream that did not happen. I hope he gets to fulfill it. Right now, di ba, inaaway ni Trump ang Harvard. No to foreign students. So for sure, ang Harvard magbubukas ng mga satellite schools, hopefully in Asia. Kasi like, NYU has in Hong Kong. Meron, basta in Singapore, madami na rin. So, I really want him to have what I did not have. That was my dream, but because yung time na yan, madaming kudeta, parang iisip ko talaga parati, ano kaya naging trajectory ng buhay ko kung talaga nag-aral ako abroad. And so, I want him to experience that. Because there, whether it's kung nandito Singapore, they also have nice schools, honey, in Japan, but I can visit you more often. I love Japan. Okay, so parang sinabi ko sa kanya na, you were born so blessed. Kasi, one, your mama was already in a position to make demands. Na may cut-off, may separate dressing room para kasama ka, and also, and then, he was 4 months old when he did his first commercial. Tapos sinabi ko na, thank you God, may isang matipid sa amin. Kasi marunong siya sa pera niya talaga. Bigyan mo siya ng 50,000, 2 months. Tatagal sa kanya. Bigyan mo ng 50,000 si Kuya, 2 days. Yun, so I want them to be an inspiration for other kids na normally kasi diba, ang nag-aalaga, nanay sa anak, na-reverse na yun talaga. I'll share the pictures with you kasi ilang beses niya akong binuhat talaga dahil may isang gamot ako kasi that tilts that. Pag nagla, right honey? When I'm walking, it's tilted like that. Tilted ako dahil feeling ko yung tilted din.
I'm really going.
Oo. Tumatama-tama ako saan-saan kasi hindi ko na-realize. Kasi yun ang effect ng gamot. So, ang ginagawa niya, hey, just carry it. Oh, yun na.
Oh. Marami nga naiinggit kay Bimbi. Sabi ng marami sana all may Bimbi na anak.
Sana nga. And then, no, pero hindi rin kasi minsan mahirap din makipagdebate sa kanya.
Kay Bimbi?
Yes! Kasi iba yung namin, political leanings namin about America. I'll stop there.
So, Mari, 18 na si Bimbi. Ready ka nang maipakilala siya?
Ay, hindi, meron na akong gusto. Dalawa na yung gusto ko.
Wow.
Oh, maybe 3. Yeah, I like 3 girls.
Pantay-pantay ang pagkagusto mo sa 3 girls o 2 girls?
Ay, hindi. May isang favorite ako. At bagay sila. Feeling, dati talaga, I dreaded na magkakaroon siya ng girlfriend. Ngayon, push ko ng push. Honey, send her flowers.
And I told Mom, di na yan yung style ngayon. It's not like that na. Kasi they get overwhelmed daw Mom.
Huh?
Yeah. Generation ko yun.
I don't think everyone will be happy.
Yeah.
No, give Pop Mart.
No, I can't be like, I can't give like 20 flowers, like, diba?
Huh? 1 lang? Huh?
No,
1
like,
flower lang?
20 bouquets, diba, Mom?
Why?
Di na yung...
Talaga?
Yeah.
That's fine.
It's a new generation, Mama.
Give her Cartier.
Wow!
See?
Medyo
Gusto ko Gusto ko talaga. No, she's athletic. So, I guess you can buy...
Wait, which one?
The one I like. So, the 2 of you can have matching sneakers.
Athletic siya?
Yeah, she is. Diba, she plays... Your mom said. That's how they discovered. Because when she would sweat, it would come out. Okay. Shut up na ako.
Mare, dati hiniling mo lang na sana umabot man lang ng 18 si Bimbi.
Yeah.
Okay na ako. Ngayon, Diyos ko, Mare, 18 na siya.
Kaya,
and you're still here.
Yeah, minulto nga kami, di ba? Pinakita ko sa'yo. Hindi. Pero kasi, sinabi ko, hindi naman ata. Like, a movie, if it's very good, na-extend. Minsan, 3 months, tapos sinihan pa. So sabi ko, sana umabot ako ng another set. Kasi, na-discover yung autoimmune ko 7 years ago. Sabi ko, God, dagdag, 7 plus 7, para umabot ako, nakita kong swearing in niya as mayor.
Wow.
Si Bimbi?
That's my dream.
Maging mayor siya?
No, because gusto niya, marunong siyang makideal sa lahat ng tao. Alam kong, oh my gosh, sobrang honest na to, so hindi talaga magnanakaw at all. And magaling mag-budget, so maalagaan niya yung mga tao. We're choosing pa lang kung saan ba talaga. Kasi may 4 choices siya kung saan.
Oh. Gusto mo ba, Bimbi, mag-politics?
Be honest.
I told you kanina, di ba, Tito Oji, it's a calling.
No, honey, it's destiny.
Yeah. Destiny and a calling.
Yeah, but it's more. But first of all, you have to have charisma. You have that, and of course, everyone wants a cute mayor. Love you.
Mare.
Partida. Wait, paano na pinagsabi ko?
Okay,
Nasa wisyo ka pa naman. In fairness.
No, 200 milligrams ako ng injectable daan. Binigyan ako ng diphenhydramine. Most people at 50 bagsak na. Dahil anti-allergy kailangan. Dahil pag namumula akong ganito, kailangan lang bigyan ng bigyan or else kakalat yung parang yung, this is called a malar rash. Ito, minsan umaabot ng ganito. And tinan mo siya, mapula na purple.
Pero hindi parang bumalik na yung skin mo yung ano mo.
Okay, the secret is I have no direct sun exposure. Bawal. But I take vitamin D as a supplement and fish oil. Kung i-describe ko lahat in a day, a total of 32 pieces of medicine.
Every day?
Yeah. A lot of vitamins, supplements, and maintenance. Tapos talagang, mas marami ka sa daytime. Siguro 18 pag daytime. Pag naubos mo na yung 18, gusto mo ka. So, ang ginagawa, kailangan yung iba empty stomach.
Oh.
And at least, he will know what it's like. Na kung meron kang kamag-anak, magulang, kapatid na may sakit, siya, at least, hindi niya titipirin yung budget for that.
Pag siya naupo?
Yes. Sure na sure yung nanay. Sana buhay pa.
Buhay pa?
I hope so.
Oo naman, Mare. Dami nagdadasal sa'yo.
Thank you very much talaga. Kasi nagulat ako when I was talking to Boy. Sabi ni Boy, Chrissy, would you believe? I had a layover in, I don't know if it's Dubai or ever. And these people kept approaching me and they kept saying, we're praying for your friend, tell her we love her. Sabi niya, every day, if I'm out, there will be at least 3 people telling me they're praying for you. So sabi niya, you are gonna get better. Let's all just believe that prayers are answered.
Oo, ayan. And your message to your followers na sobrang nagpipray for your recovery.
But can I ask for something more? Na ang sakit eh. Dahil bawal sa akin ng lahat ng pain reliever and all. The pain I'm going through right now, can you please pray na ma-lessen? Because it prevents me from being mobile. Nahihirapan na akong maglakad. And I'll be honest with everyone, nag-uusap tayo ngayon, di ba humihina boses ko? After 30 minutes, nawawala ang boses.
Ayun na.
So please pray for that because meron ng nodules sa throat. Natakot akong patanggal kasi baka mag-Julie Andrews ako. Diba, yung tinanggal, she couldn't sing anymore. Not that I'm a singer, pero kung wala ang boses ko, hindi na ako si Chris. Diba? Kasi distinct yung boses.
At least yan pa rin ang marka ni Chris.
Kaya natakot ako talaga.
Ramdam pa rin ng mga tao na
sana
Chris
mag-decide
Aquino
sila na more than fruits and chocolates, ma-enjoy ka na ulit ang ulam.
Ako makain na siya.
I'm trying my best, pero talaga mahirap lumuno. Kasi yung dito ko, meron akong overstay na nodules dito. Na yung food, pag bumababa ako, masakit. Unless it's really malambot. Yung may bukol dito, tapos parang lalaki ako nagka-adapt sa apple ako. Then, ito here, touch. Yun, laki ng bukol.
There is?
Yeah, there. Where my finger is.
Oh.
So, they were asking me kung gusto ko ipa-biopsy. And I said,
Na?
no, because baka may matamaan dapat sa vocal cords. So, again, going under a PET scan after elections. Kasi, kailangan ko pagdaanan ulit lahat ng tinest sa akin. Dahil hindi sila makapaniwala na in 6 months, lalong dumami ang autoimmune ko. And they really think it's the air quality. Pero kasi, ang ate ko, sabi niya, please don't leave. Or if you're gonna leave, somewhere near. Kasi parang, I think na-trauma dun sa yung mga famous recently na namatay na mag-isa.
Powerful ang prayers for you, Chris.
No,
Kaya hanggang ngayon, grabe ang
Hindi,
mga tao na
binabalik ko
nagpipray for
naman
you.
po kasi marami naman po akong mga simbahan na, well,
Tinutulungan mo, naririnig ko yun.
yeah, I have several priests who are very close to me. So, yes. Parang feeling ko na every time na maganda yung results ng test, nag-share ako to say thank you. Because I know those tests would not be that good kung hindi dahil pinagdadasal. Pero pagdasal niyo please kasi bagsak na bagsak yung hemoglobin. And bagsak yung WBC. This is my 8th time out of the house since September. Oh, grabe, di ba?
Nakakaloka.
Oo, only because it's in Michael's house at titira na ako dito.